So if you're just about going to middle school, or if your parents who has a middle school student, the math, what is the key point of the math, key to the algebra? You start learning algebra. So what is the key here? Okay, you learn the whole numbers, right? 1, 2, so and so, all the way to infinity. Integer has minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so and so. So integer manipulation, you learn the rational number. Now rational number is 0.42. Those are rational number. Okay, so you learn this. Now irrational number, probably you learn those irrational numbers. Okay, each time you learn a new number, there is a jump in the concept of the math, and children need to learn more difficult types of numbers. The concept get abstract more and more. So in algebra, the suddenly most abstract number comes in, called unknown value, which is x. This is a new concept, and some kids has a problem grasping this concept, and that's caused a problem. Math is hard, I don't understand, kind of things. So you have to pay attention to this, because this concept, unknown value x, is quite a jump in the abstract math concept. And in order to avoid kids start saying I do not like math, or algebra is hard, you have to make sure they get it right. The one problem is math textbook doesn't do a good job. The math textbook usually doesn't clarify what we are getting into. I know that the best way is to use a number line and indicate x here, keeping that x is just one of number they learned so far. We don't just specify unspecified number. That's the way you approach and teach kids. So 5 plus 3 here is x. X minus 3, you take a 3 out, then it's a 5. And x plus 2, you add a 2, then become 10. So it's very clear on the number line. Okay, so this is how I usually teach the math when it's come to the algebra. And this x is one of number here, but quadratic equation quickly expand the meaning of x into imaginary number. So initially x should be a number on the number line, and later we have to expand concept again. And expanding concept, abstract concept, is never end in the math learning all the way to college. Math is all about abstract concept, and this never stop. We have to keep going, and the children need to get used to it. Every time expand abstract concept and start a new math. Okay, I hope you enjoy listening this video. Then please click subscribe if you like.